And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz gold level choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz gold level choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation movement and dance a running spin turn. Notice syncopated timing in second bar. We continue with outside change to promenade position. From here we dance wing, man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps. From here we dance bounce fallaway. And again outside change to promenade position. From here we dance fallaway natural turn, which lasts 2 bars. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall. We start preparation movement. And we move diagonally to wall. First bar of running spin turn. Second bar around the corner. We continue moving diagonally to center with outside change. Down line of dance with wing. Also down line of dance with bounce fallaway. Outside change. We finish diagonally to wall and we move into corner with fallaway natural turn. Then we move diagonally to center and we finish diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.